Good morning, Canberra, for Cam's Mortgage Minute on Wednesday, September the 12th. Well, I told you in a previous Cam's Mortgage Minute a couple of months ago that OSFI was making changes to lines of credit, or home equity lines of credit as they're often referred to. Well, it's already starting to take place. Originally, these changes were to come into play by the end of October. Some lenders are jumping the queue and already implementing these changes. So what do they mean to you? Well, what they're reducing is the loan to value. So if your property, let's say, is worth $400,000, you currently could get a line of credit on that for $320,000. But after the rule changes that some of the lenders are already putting into effect, that line of credit limit will drop to $260,000. So effectively, you'll be able to borrow $60,000 less against your house. Now, some of you might say, Cam, hey, I don't care. It doesn't really matter to me. Well, you're right. It's a small fraction that really uses these home equity lines of credit. As I had told you earlier, it's about 3% of the overall mortgage market. So why were they tampering with it? Quite honestly, I couldn't tell you. But most of the clients that I have that use these use them as investment tools. Basically, they do the Smith maneuver and other related types of maneuvers where they're taking bad debt and converting it into good debt. And that's really the type of people who'll use it. Hey, I'll get that phone in a minute. And those are the people that it's going to affect the most. Most of the clients that I see are basically looking at it as an investment tool because they can get a lower interest rate and do better things with the money and leverage it. There are very few that I run across that are using it for frivolous purposes, needless spending, or supporting exorbitant lifestyle. That's what the government would have you believe, and that's what a lot of them say. But you know what? I don't run across a lot of those in my travels that use lines of credit. But it doesn't matter what I say. The things are changing as the old song goes. They say, times are a-changing, my friend. So if you are one of those folks who would like to get under the old rules and still get that line of credit for 80% and need it for investment purposes or something related to that, please give us a call. It's Cam the Mortgage Man. Give us a call at the Auxilium team. We're here to help, and we'll do our best to get you in under the old program before all the lenders adopt the rules early. Anyway, it's been Cam for Cam's Mortgage Minute, and I will see you tomorrow.